In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 404 quickly and easily. If you've clicked on a sheet, report, or workspace link and suddenly see a 404 error message, don't worry. This usually means the item can't be found, but in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you step by step through the most common causes and how to fix each one. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1 is to check the link carefully. A 404 error often appears because the URL is incorrect or outdated. If someone shared the link with you through email or chat, go back and make sure the entire link was copied correctly. Even a small missing character can cause the page not to load. If you manually typed the link into your browser, double-check for spelling mistakes. Also, try refreshing the page or opening the link in an incognito or private browsing window to rule out any caching issues. If the link looks correct and still isn't working, move on to Step 2. Search for the item directly inside Smartsheet. Log into your Smartsheet account and use the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Type in the exact name of the sheet, report, or workspace. Sometimes items are moved to a different folder or workspace, and the original shared link becomes outdated. Searching manually helps you confirm whether the item still exists in your accessible files. If you can't find it through search, Step 3 is to check if the item was deleted. In Smartsheet, deleted items are usually moved to the Deleted Items section. Navigate to your Account menu and look for the Deleted Items or Trash area. Browse through the list to see if the sheet or report was recently removed. If you find it there, you may be able to restore it, depending on your permission level. If someone else deleted it, you may need to contact the owner or your sysadmin to recover it. Next, Step 4 is to check your permissions. One of the most common reasons for a 404 error in Smartsheet is that you don't have access to the item. Even if the sheet still exists, you'll see a 404 message if your permissions were removed. Reach out to the person who shared the sheet and ask them to confirm your access level. They can open the sharing settings and verify whether your email is listed. If not, they can reshare the sheet with you. Once access is restored, refresh the page and try opening a link again. Finally, Step 5 is to log out and log back into your Smartsheet account. Sometimes session issues or account conflicts can trigger unexpected errors. Click on your profile icon, log out completely, then close your browser. Reopen it, log back in, and try accessing the link again. This simple reset can often clear temporary glitches. So to quickly recap, first, check the link for errors. Second, search for the item inside Smartsheet. Third, check if it was deleted. Fourth, verify your permissions. And fifth, log out and log back in. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve Smartsheet Error Code 404. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet troubleshooting guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.